Komphela is back at Mamelodi Sundowns just after a year after he left. So yeah, they released a statement on their social media platforms. It says, Mamelodi Sundowns today welcome back Steve Komphela, who will serve as a senior coach and will assist Manqoba Mngqithi and the rest of the technical team. So yeah, so here's what Steve Komphela said. He says, I'm very happy to be back at Mamelodi Sundowns, where I was always inspired and treated with respect and love. I'm committed to contributing to the club, achieving its goals in South Africa and on the African continent. Yeah, so what do you think of this move by Mamelodi Sundowns bringing Steve Komphela back to your club again? So yeah, Mamelodi Sundowns is currently training in South Africa for the upcoming season and will be leaving in a few days to Austria as part of its pre-season preparations. Yeah, so yeah, Mamelodi Sundowns are really shaking up the market in this transfer window. Yeah, they've been busy letting people go, bringing other people in. So yeah, let me hear your thoughts regarding this move by Mamelodi Sundowns. Is it a good move for them or it's not?